My name is Elias Khoury. I come from Beirut, Lebanon, and I write novels. Normally, I'm a novelist, and for me, this was a very interesting experience on two levels. The first one is to meet these young writers and poets who are coming from all over the world. I am the oldest one in this group, and it was an experience, a very interesting experience to contact, understand, see new tendencies, and appreciate new works, and appreciate the diversity and multiplicity of languages that we felt how they can be in harmony, and only in literature languages really can be in harmony and can enrich each other on many levels. Of course, I heard new things, I discovered new voices, and I met very interesting people. The second level is to come to Malta. You know, Malta in the modern history of the Arab world, Malta was the place where people were exiled by the colonial forces. The leader of the Egyptian revolution of 1919, Saad Zarnoul, was exiled in Malta. Many Lebanese were exiled in Malta under the Ottomans. And Malta is a very mythic place. It's a very mythical place because we think that the people here speak Arabic, and of course they don't, but it's a combination of languages, but mainly Arabic is very, very dominant here. And for me, the linguistic experience, although it was a very, very short experience, was worth coming. And worth understanding, and the place is a very beautiful place. I wonder why it was exiled. You know, people are exiled in one of the most beautiful islands on earth, and I think that I discovered a lot of things, and I enjoyed the sea, I enjoyed the landscape, I enjoyed the people who are very nice, very open.